Yeah, son. That was a good fish.
When I ask you, you better come. If you don't come when I ask you, then you're not coming next time.
What's going on, guys? It's, I believe, 6:48. We got about 8 minutes till shooting light. We got all the mojos set up in the field already. We're doing some dove hunting this morning. I feel pretty good about it. There's quite a few flying over the field. I'm here with Cannon and Cam. Cannon's behind the camera right now, but we ought to have a pretty good hunt today.
You want me to? Wait, behind you. Oh. I think I got one. Oh, it died.
What?
It died.
Yeah. Like.
Oh, above you, Cam.
Oh, Cannon, smoke this one. Dang it, dude.
Wait. I can't believe I missed that. I didn't want to shoot Cam.
You just smoked that one though, didn't you?
No, I missed it.
Yeah, you did. Look. I thought it went down.
No, it flew. We're good. I'm gonna pick up my shells though. I have one shell.
I accidentally didn't pick up my one over there. Oh, Cam, coming over you. Oh, wait, no.
It's that way. Oh. I suck so bad.
Yeah, dude, if I don't...
All right, let me go get some more shells. They're flying now.
Dude, there. Oh.
Cam! Where's my shell?
I think he just sprayed it right on there.
I mean, I would too. Good shot.
Oh my gosh.
Look at all those, Wyatt, coming over you. Right up on your head top.
Hey. Where's the one I shot
I'm behind you. I'm so bad.
Honestly, the worst thing you can do is go look for a bird because they're just gonna keep staying after you.
8, 2. Yeah. Here's a double right here. Not even close. Cam, right behind you. Nice.
I'll wing this one over here.
You dusted that one.
Look at all the feathers.
We're good.
That's insane. Cannon. Oh, you got one out of that?
Covering me. Yeah, we got one out of that.
I winged him.
Look at this one. Hey,
He's got to be close to dead. And like right here. He's coming over. Right over.
Oh, I see him. Right here, behind you.
oh, dude,
Oh.
I took feathers out of him. Oh,
There's no way. I can't. I'm gonna walk back a little bit. Good shot.
whoa,
Oh.
look at all this.
There's no way.
Dude, they're going by so fast.
Maybe I need to lead him more.
Hey, Cannon, one center and not speed. Golly. Cam, over you.
Oh, more.
Tons more.
Assist.
Yeah.
I've got 4 over here. Oh! Yeah, go over there. I'll stand over here. Here, Cam, where are all your birds?
Huh?
Where are all your birds?
Just over.
Dang, Cannon's going crazy.
Oh,
Look at them all.
Well, we shot 2.
that one got deleted.
Wyatt, never mind. How many do you have? You gotta be getting close.
I don't know.
Ruger's looking for 1. I don't know if this one's edible.
Alright guys, well, I am limited out. Cannon is, hang on, Cannon is now working on his limit. So I'm gonna just hop behind the camera and video him. He's been the one running the GoPro the entire time, but we're gonna try to get some good footage, and Cam's still got some birds to go.
People might think, well, why don't y'all hunt over the mojos? But I mean, flying right here,
Yeah, we don't need no mojos.
so we can't really. They brought a couple in, but
Oh, these two.
they brought those in.
Oh, right at us.
Good shot.
Oh.
Well, they brought those in.
Oh, right at us.
Good shot.
Oh.
Oh, right here. I suck so bad. Bro, look, I took the feathers off of them.
No, yeah, dude, they're just. Gosh, there's so many. I don't know where to video, dude.
They get to flying back and forth like that. It's game over for me.
There's one.
Plenty.
Right over the decoys. Oh, that was sick. No double. Dude, that was actually sick. There's one.
Plenty.
Right over the decoys. Oh, that was sick. No double.
Coming over, one, single. Good shot.
Nice.
Did you get that one?
Yeah.
That'd be cool. Coming over, one, single.
Nice.
Did you get that one?
Yeah.
That'd be cool. Catch it.
Hit him in the head, Kenneth.
Oh, which one did he shoot at?
I shot another group up here and it landed. It almost hit Cam.
Yes, dude. Oh, spoken. Yes, no, triple.
I only have one. Be still, be still.
Dude, if one comes in,
No, wait. There's like 5.
dude, there's so many cannon.
Which one do I go for?
Whichever one. Yes, dude. Oh, smoke it. Yes, dude. No, triple.
I only have one.
No. Dude, your dog will do anything but pick up the bird. Get it. Get him. He's dead.
Go get him.
He's dead.
Go get him, Murphy. Go get him.
Oh, double, triple. Oh. Nice. Another one. Oh, double, triple. Oh. Now this is a great hunt. We slaughtered. We shot our limit in what, about an hour? It was pretty good. I got it done in a box and a half of shells. Could have shot a little better, but no, we wrecked. We figured out. I mean, these dove, they're working these decoys like they're teal. Like, watch this. I mean, this thing. I mean, they see me, but a lot of the birds we've killed today have just been like right over the mojos, just landing in it, and then of course, I mean, there's so many dove. When we go out to pick up a bird, they just keep flying over you, and you just start blasting. But yeah, I mean, they're doing it nasty. They'll land right over the mojos. We shot all morning dove, no white wings, and it was a blast. Feel like I'm in Argentina. I could have just put this in the video. Just at the end, just the dog taking a poop.